Big goals takes all your energy, it takes all your efforts, it takes all your thoughts, all your focus and all your time. You got to work for it and it's not gonna be easy. If you think you can, you truly can. And if you think you can't, you can't. And trust me, either way you're right. This story is about two highly motivated and passionate men on a mission for healthy India, spreading awareness and importance of staying fit. As Sanjay and Ram rightly said, because health matters. And they are running from Kanyakumari to Kashmir 4,431 kilometers in 56 days, which will be recorded as Guinness Book of World Records.
Hello friends, myself Sanjay Kumar from Haryana. I along with Ram Ratan from Nagaur district of Rajasthan are attempting a Guinness Book of World Records, that is the Kanyakumari to Kashmir run, a total distance of 4431 kilometers in 56 days, covering 11 states, 91 major cities and 1000 plus villages. And the theme of the cause is Stop NCD. NCD means non-communicable disease. Like we are inspiring the youth to at least run, jog or a walk for 1 hour in the whole day, so that they can be away from the disease like obesity, hypertension. You can support us by running a few kilometers, let it be a 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer or 5 kilometers during our journey. The route plan of our journey is available on our website www.k2krun.com.
Myself Ram Ratan Jat from Rajasthan. I'm running Kanyakumari to Kashmir 4431 km in 56 days. That is our target to achieve. And I'm running along with Sanjay Kumar, Mahendragarh, Haryana. Sanjay Kumar only the guy who inspired me for this run, and he is the guy and teacher of my in every ultra running. And we have completed many ultra running together in Himalayas, in desert, in Bengaluru, stadium run. Wherever we got opportunity, we ran together. We took a challenge of Kashmir to Kanyakumari run. So this run already completed by Sufia Khan, that is in 87 days. But we are going to break that record in 56 days, and we are making a new course record for this run. And for this run we have a cause, that is we run for cause because health matters. The cause is, main theme is that stop NCD. NCD means non-communicable disease, like hypertension, lifestyle disease. All are coming because of we are not taking interest in our health. We are working 24 hours, 24/7, but we are not looking for our health. So we are going to give a message to youth of India. That's why we started this run on Youth Day, in National Youth Day, 12th January. So in 24 hours we are working only for the company and wherever we are working, but we are not working for ourselves or health. So उसके लिए मुझे एक डायलॉग याद आ रहा है अक्षय कुमार का. उन्होंने बोला कि जो आदमी 24 घंटे में अपनी हेल्थ के लिए 1 घंटा नहीं दे सकता है, उस आदमी को मर जाना चाहिए. और ये बहुत ही सही बात है, क्योंकि यदि हम खुद टाइम नहीं देंगे तो ऐसी कोई बीमारी आएगी वो हमें मार देगी. तो मुझे अक्षय कुमार का ये डायलॉग बहुत पसंद आया. एंड 24 आवर्स में से 1 आवर्स मीन्स ओनली 4% ऑफ द 24 आवर्स. सो उस 4% हम वी कैन गिव फॉर अवर सेल्फ, वी कैन गिव फॉर हेल्थ. And the running is the cheapest game for the health. If we are running only for health, then that is the cheapest game. Only we require a shot and we can go for the jog, run, whatever we want. So I would like to request all the Indians, all the youth of India, please come forward, make the Fit India. Fit India movement cannot carry by government. That will be carried by our Indians, our public. That is we are. If we are fit, then India will be fit. We have a 4-member team, 2 runners and 2 supporters. One is our physiotherapist, professional physiotherapist, Dr. Ritesh from Surat, Gujarat, and our pilot is Mukesh, Mr. Mukesh, who came from the Rajasthan. He is a very professional driver. He have done a lot good for us, and our route is from Kanyakumari to Trivandrum, Cochin, Coimbatore, and then we came on 14th day. We came to the Bangalore, and now we are approaching towards Pune. Then we will be at Ahmedabad around 9th or 10th February. Then we will go through the Ajmer, Jaipur, Delhi, and Chandigarh होते हुए और Jammu. And there we have a good big challenge, that will be the high altitude running. So we both the runners already ran in high altitude from 2017, 18, 19, continuous 3 years we ran there. We completed 111 kilometer. I have done 222 kilometer. My co-runner is Sanjay Kumar. He have a world record, that is 5 full marathon on 5 mountains in the Manali to Leh highway. That is a Herculean task for us, but he made it, and he broke a record of Australian athlete, that is by 6 hours difference. 6 घंटे के डिफरेंस से इन्होंने जो रिकॉर्ड तोड़ा, that is really motivate us. So the part from Jammu to Srinagar, that will be the hectic, but we will manage because we have already experience of ultra running, high altitude running. I would like to thank each and everyone who came forward and who ran with us. I want to give you 2 examples. One guy Bini from the Souls of Cochin, he ran 21 kilometer maiden half marathon. First time he had done half marathon with us. That is really good inspiration for us. Today Mr. Sebastian, he came from the Bangalore and he ran 21 kilometer with us. That is another big motivation for us. So please guys, come forward, run with us, run any mile, whatever you want the miles you can run with us. Every single mile is a matter. So please come forward to the road of the India for the health, and we got good support from the all over the India, all over the South India. That is the let it be Souls of Cochin, Souls of Palam, and the Fort Runner Palakkad. They all came with us, they ran with us, and one community came in the Bangalore also, they ran with us. So please guys, come forward, come and run with us till Srinagar. Thank you.
Till now we have got a good support starting from Kanyakumari up to now, and I'd like to thank on behalf of team K2K for supporting us. Keep supporting. Thank you very much.